In the following, I will introduce TopKing grinding machine to you. In TIMTOS 2023, TopKing proudly presents cross-slider type CNC angular cylindrical grinding machine. The model name X-2540A is a special machine designed for high-efficiency work. CNC 2-axis simultaneously control grinding wheel profile tracing for multiple-step OD grinding and in-phase grinding in one clamping setup. The swing over table is 270 millimeters. Maximum grinding diameter is 250 millimeters, and distance between centers is 400 millimeters. The X and Z axis as cross-slide design. The grinding wheel head moving cross can save the working space. Also, 2 axes equipped with linear scales as standard accessories for control better precision accuracy and finished parts quality. Moreover, the working table is fixed and bolted on machine base, which increases rigidity during grinding process. CNC machine could equip with touch probe, OD in processing gauge, gap and crush control, also automatic wheel balancer. These measuring gauges offer customer for better operation and accuracy control in the production. Furthermore, CNC controller embedded with high-performance control system through friendly graphical user interface. Customer could follow the interface procedures and easy to input grinding cycles and tracing value step by step for various grinding jobs without editing complicated G-code and M-code programming, which provides the best grinding operation environment for our customers. TopKing also cares about the environment. To prevent pollution from lubricant oil, we change the grinding wheel spindle to high-precision bearing to control the using life and easy for replacement. Besides, we use environmentally friendly lubricant grease for slight lubricating average and less consumables. It's the end of my introduction. Thanks for your attention.